Privacy Frost window film is an easy way to provide privacy at your windows with minimal loss of light. It's an attractive alternative to net curtains and is resistant to condensation, making it ideal for use in bathrooms as well as downstairs and bedroom windows. We're going to show you how to fit Privacy Frost to your existing windows, but it can be fitted to a secondary removable pane if you prefer. Detailed instructions for both methods can be printed from our secondarydiyglazing.com website. It's quick and easy to fit, and the tools you'll require are a glass scraper, a sharp knife and a squeegee blade, all of which are included in our mini installation kits, plus a tape measure, sharp scissors, a spare store card, a towel and a spray bottle. You'll need to put a couple of drops of washing up liquid in the spray bottle and top it up with water. Begin by trimming the Privacy Frost film to leave roughly 20mm excess on each dimension. Cut along the grid lines to ensure a straight cut. If you're doing only part of a window, use masking tape to mark the area. Next, prepare the glass where you intend to fit the film. Spray the glass with a soap solution and use the scraper to remove any specks of dirt, as these will cause air bubbles under the film. It's worth putting a towel down at this point to soak up any drips. Lay the Privacy Frost film out and peel a little section of the liner away from one corner to expose the adhesive side. Spray your fingers and then gradually peel the whole liner, spraying liberally as you go. When ready, spray the entire surface you intend to cover with the soap solution. Then, slide the Privacy Frost film into place, locating the top corner and one of the side edges, and press the rest of the film into place. Now spray the face of the film with the soap solution to act as a lubricant while you squeegee out the solution between the glass and the privacy film. Work out from the original corner you slid into place, going from top to bottom and side to side. To trim the film, start by slitting the corner and then use a store card to trap the sharp blade against the frame while trimming. Squeegee the trimmed edges to ensure all the solution has been removed, and then dry off any excess liquid. If it's safe to do so, check for air bubbles from outside as well, and if you do need to squeegee again, make sure you spray the film generously with the soap solution beforehand. Don't forget to read the instructions fully before starting, and please look at our excellent range of heat and noise insulation products on secondarydiyglazing.com.